Well, since I've been running it every day and actually putting miles on it, I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick oil change. I wanted to run the old oil that was in it for a while, still looked good. I just wanted to run it, have it going down the highway with a constant temp, constant flow, get it heated up and burn some of that stuff out, and then put some fresh in it. So far so good, been cruising down the highway really well. I'm gonna go ahead and change this oil out and maybe look over some of the intake. Keep in mind when you're changing the oil, make you this here redneck ingenuity funnel. Cheap, because guess what? You already bought that. So there you go, no spill, make it on site. Redneck Ingenuity 101 keeps coming through. First time I've ever actually bought O'Reilly's brand oil. Something I really enjoy here. High mileage. And hate to tell you, but mine's got way more than what that says. I'm at 230,000. So something really cool about the O'Reilly's. Check it out, America. That's what I'm talking about. Got the old flag on it. Probably gonna pour out a bunch of bald eagles. Give you a look at the old used oil. Pretty bad, worse than I thought. So, yeah, that's black, nasty. Had a little bit of metal on the magnet, but I'm sure it's been building up for a while. Nothing I'm really worried about. So, good thing we changed it. Gonna be running 100 miles a day on it. Go ahead and pull apart the old intake. It is pretty nasty. And this is the mass flow. And you can see where I put my finger on it right there. It's dirty too. Just gonna go ahead and clean all this up, try to get it where it can breathe a little more. Maybe we can get some mileage out of this bad boy. I'm about to take this screen out. I don't know if any of you guys have ever done that. I've done it before. So leave a comment. Let me know what you think about that. All right, so we got her full of bald eagle juice. Motor's probably feeling so fresh and so clean. So we're gonna go in and give her a start. There she goes, and we got oil pressure. That's what I'm talking about. Check for leaks, check the level, be good to go.